Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's begin with opening and the dialer. Here tap on the keypad and enter a code which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we're provided with both IMEI numbers of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings, so let's open the settings. Right here we need to go to About Phone, which is at the very top of the list. And here let's scroll and find Detailed Info and Specs. Scroll down again and go to Status, which is at the very bottom of the list. Scroll down, and as you can see right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Of course you need to tap on the specific IMEI to actually check the number, just like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.